DJ MTV.
Country people, una welcome to DJ MTV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na be una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJ MTV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJ MTV.
My great people, Pepper Soup is out again, man. I greet everybody. I greet everybody. I come out today, I say make una come hear wetin dey happen. I come out today, I say make I come tell na as e be. You know, say sometimes when people dey honest, e get as e be. Nobody dey gree believe if people dey honest. I guess more cold because of the weather. Now see wetin happen about Abaze. Smart Abaze. That guy is saying the truth. This will not be time to dey curse anybody. Smart Abaze is saying the heavy truth. Like saying that Tony Kabaka come out, come talk like this, they do for them catch fire. Everybody for the shout. Like saying that Kabaka ain't come out. Like saying that person can't talk about Kabaka like this. As Obaze family, what did they happen for them now? Like saying that Kabaka ain't come out, say he give people money when they take the shoot gun. The whole Benin for them scatter. Everywhere for them they scatter because you get people when you go mess, that mess it go smell past anything. Even when the mess not the smell, as far as say the thing just come out, people will just carry the issue, say yeah, it mess. Like say na Kabaka. Now he open his mouth as Smart Obaze take come out. In short, the whole Nigeria for don't scatter. Therefore, they send SS police, may they go arrest him. But I'll tell you one thing. For me, I didn't hate you. It's better you sort your brother problem. You don't get anybody where you go die for that Edo State again. People feel just the thought, say the guy just the yarn, he dey rap anyhow. Now lie. Now the heat with the guy they get, now make can come out, come voice. Now the pay, the threatening with that guy they get, with the smart they get, now make can come out. Even his brother Julius now they pass the information to Smart. If Obaseki give you money for campaign, for the social media people, or for the supporters, you have to settle them. Like saying that Tony Kabaka, nobody go hear this thing. He go settle people. But you, they give you money. Settle your brother. You hear what your brother use the mouth talking. He's saying they give people money, may they come and come they shoot gun. Definitely for the gun for the palace, like your brother Fanasa. The gun where they come they shoot for the election, like your brother sponsored it. And because of this issue, he even damaged his whole house. Greediness not the pay. For one to be greedy, it's not good. If they give you true, say they give you that 140 something million or 20 something million, I can reach your hand, you go settle your old blood brother. If na kabaka and people go dey there for her. If na kabaka in people, they go dey there for her. You don't have to eat and kick your brother out. Is it because you carry and go US, you finance and because of that one you want to take the money come out? No, they're not behave like that, my man. There is nothing like you get brother or sister who busy, they support you, they your back. This guy is smart, they your back. You need to appeal. You hear what he talk. He said, therefore, don't waste you. But I did there for you. As far as say this guy did there for you, your brother did there for you, you suppose even did there for her. If the money reach your hand, you share for her. This is how, plus the betrayal in APC in the when they say Yamu. Now your brother use the man talker. Nobody can see as he be, see as he not be. No. Like saying that Tony Kabaka now, social media for don't carry on. AIT, BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, France 24, all for don't carry on. But this one now, your own blood, now it come out. You know how many people will go don't die when nobody know. All in the name, say, make Obaseki win. We are supporting you. Now, share, give them money, no problem. Even some of them in this Europe, you have to settle them. If it is true that they give you that money, you have to settle them. But for your brother to come out, that the heat where your brother they get, now the threat where your brother they get, the bullet when they get, now make her come out. That system of talk back, he was not having time for his wife. We all we know for this Western world. Our women where we marry for home. Not be say the one we break up for home. The one where we see here, our women, is different from the one where all those black America, or it's still different from the one where we born here. The guy is, you can see the pain on him that he's crying. This one not be to the put red dead, not to put, no. Your brother is crying. He's crying. You have to sort him out. You are a father. For me, I will not be happy if you have a fight with your brother or something happened to you. No. Because you have kids. You have a wife. If you want to be greedy, you don't have to be greedy with your blood. If you want to be greedy, you don't have to be greedy with someone that is supporting you. If you want to be greedy, you don't have to be greedy with someone that you will call within a second is there for you. And your brother used a mad talker. He have paid a serious price for you to smile. He have paid a price for you to believe in. He has paid a price for that obedience to exist and be in position for now. But just for you to pay him back is just a problem. Maybe on his paycheck, with the confidence and the rap you give him that you don't worry, once we just enter, I will settle you, I go, governor will give you, not just bother. As in the work, they get in paycheck, now they take the finance in boys or in men. There's something most of us forget. 99.9% of human beings forget. No matter how rich you are, you must die and leave those things. Even because of the picking where you embezzle the whole money, maybe when you die, the kids will not even know the value of that money. They will misuse all. That's why we are fighting that Edo State will be great. That we should team together to make that state a great state. If na Kabaka now, they will say lion, tiger, tiger, lion, hyena, cheetah, jaguar, crocodile. But he will not behave what you behave now, if it is true. Kabaka will not do that. He will give, you see the way his family is with him, supporting him. This man just win, I just win. It's not up to 2 weeks. If your brother can come out, definitely you really eat that money. You had a story that you are building a mansion. I'm happy for you. It's a great thing as far as you are building in Edo State. I'm happy. It's not a big deal. But you have to sort out your brother, iron that issue. Because innocent person can hold a bullet from it. For what he didn't know. For what he didn't know about the person, other people feel that put. It's very bad, eh? It's really bad. You can't just come out. We not feel just talk, say the guy just talk nonsense. No, he was not saying nonsense. He was saying the real truth. Our palace gone. Boom. And he was not even scared of saying it. But himself, he forget, say, he's putting himself in a very big danger. And he's putting the whole family of Obaze in danger because it's what happened. How about you have to change? Greediness is not good. If money is given up for them, share it to them. All people that do the job, share that money for them. You still get people who are going to give for that to Togbele and say, he go say no, he can pay, do everything from his heart. You go say take, he go say no. There are people in that 4+4 that really can pay for Obaseki without no cent. Even when you give him, he will not ever take. All he want the state to be great, that he did it from his mind. It's the same thing with APC. People like me, if they even give me, say, 10 million, 50 million, 100 million, I'm not taking because I can pay for POI with all my heart. I'm not expecting anything in return. But what I want is let the people there be happy. If such money is with you, you have to give him to your brother. You have to pay your brother. Your brother voice, Abba might tell you, not be your brother at the vessel. Now the heat we need to get from the boys. Now the heat we need to get, now make your brother come out. Your brother came out, your younger brother came out. He was talking the way he's... No. I respect you about for helping your younger ones. No, that's great. But you don't have to pay him back like this. Is it because you cannot go abroad now you want to seize that money? No. You have to give him his money. Let peace reign. You can protect yourself, but worry about your wife and your children. And all those boys, they can go for anything. They can do anything to draw 10 naira. 10 naira, they can do anything to draw it. That's why when you say 10 person say not come Nigeria again, not enter do it again. Now help that person. Now medicine, life medicine, now you give and say live long for extra 15, 20 years plus the years. No security there. If someone in abroad was giving order, financing people to be shooting gun, he came out boldly and he said, my brother, when you speak, they start insulting you. When you talk, no, but this is not the time of talking, of fighting anybody, but we are just saying the truth. If Nakabaka open mouth to this, social media will just catch fire. Boom. If Nakabaka open mouth say he give people money, maybe they shoot gun, now boys they shoot gun, social media, boom. But this one are your old blood brother. The same papa, the same mama. But you cannot use him and dump him. Man, no, it's not done that way. You rule his house by motivating him, because you encourage him, you motivate him, you give him confidence, say, if you win. And now your old brother too, now you tell him the money where God no give you, make you take campaign. Give him his share. At least wife will leave him. He go still get money, but I take Igwe de bread je do. I take Igwe de bread je do. I don't want de bread jigwe. But another way around again, Igwe take de bread je do because of the heat of the payment they pay you. The way about take care you go yo wa be no even na nya you go already we know who will the gear. Is the agreement between you and your brother. So you have to do it. You must do it, my man. To be honest, I am the last person to bring anybody down, especially in one no temu we do. Like when I'm happy seeing you growing, because you have made a name in Nigeria history. I respect you for that. You understand? Because for you, what you did is really bad. You have to give money down to your brother. You must pay your brother. You have to 100% pay your brother. Alright, kabaka wa no ni gogo wa la kan restricted. The social media ya fefe. The CNN wa la dia. But kabaka will never do that. What you did to your brother. And Kabaka brother will never come out just 2 weeks, 1 week plus after the election. Here we go, no. That means la. But no, your old blood in him. So please pay your brother. Just pay him and let peace reign. Pay him. I mean, I'm going 5 million. Or tell me, oh, why you wa? Or tell me, my PC. You need to set to you have a no what can I him. Eh? This is where you talk to your brother. It's all blood. Even 3 million, you can even wear of your pa Lahore. $1 million, $6,000 Lahore. Even though you are, you know. He will take it. He will accept it. Than coming out because you disappointed him. You made him feel bad. That is why he came out. For me, I am not happy he came out because we know 1 hour. But but you have to iron it out right away. You just have to sort it. Because no way you know tie finance them or his boys shooting gun. And that one can put him in jail. Or a country in Niger. On a way Eramos in Niger. He's just saying Erami. I'm working in the government office. I can make a full off. No, abroad don't operate like that. When you are guilty, you go in for it. And this video now, Javier was saying he can even, there are things he will do or mind anything concerning it, but with this video, he will implicate him and you make it to go in for it. Who is the cause? You are bad. Why? Because you don't want to pay him in time. You frustrated him. You made him to come out and say a word, no matter your kind of time. I don't blame that guy. I blame the greedy people. Maybe there are a lot of people, even in Europe, we want to know what married even now. You get the work, binane, no basheki. I don't want to stay long. I just came out to tell you about, to be honest, Try to sort out your brother problem. No, I may bullet you. You don't know ever. There is pain there. There is poverty there. Yeah, the way you see if you want to buy it this time, maybe wear dead body, you know. So please, just have to sort your brother for peace to reign. Call your brother in order. Even when the government where it's not going to bring out anything from your pocket, talk to him. Just talk to him. If you were polite with him, it won't go this far. No, it won't go this far. You'll tell me, I want to even what I'm aware. When the issue now is the whole family, is everybody, no. I have to make sure I give everybody. Now it's just $4,000 bill. One money journey. It's just $4,000 that is now left to, or $2,000 is left. I beg just manage and I beg with my own blood. If it good for us. This guy will not come out. Maybe you start opening eye for him with that word, because you are the senior, you think you can oppress him. They don't behave like that. And I feel for him. He's no longer with his wife. He has a fight with his wife. He has a fight with his house. And that money you didn't give him. So Kabaka will not behave what you behave. That is why I say Kabaka is better than you about Obas. Kabaka will not do that. And if it is Kabaka now, all that Dian to tell me bona. Olawegani. Olawegani. The justice is not there in that state. The justice is not there. The problem now, you are the cause about. Because you underestimate your brother. At the same time, you think because he's junior to you. At the same time, you think because you help him. At the same time, you think because it's not on grant. You don't want to settle him. You have to settle him. You have to settle him for peace to reign. You have to. For heavy big peace to reign. You have to. Aye feriume. Efe, aye feriume. Aye feriume. It's better you sort that problem for peace to reign. Ototayo, mama do we are for J or no. Your brother came out and he speak. And I understand. He speak from his heart. Who would you have for that Golajian? Who baloya Golajian? You were church way. You sorte. If Bawa even no bow, wherever we call you, wherever we largest social media, we call your brothers, talk to him. But you can't make a mistake in him, because you underestimate him. You don't underestimate people. You don't underestimate people. You don't underestimate people. Why I'm laughing is just that way. Alright, Kabaka no. He knows you one more year. The government, the governor, really he gave you money because your junior brother already got in that he will work back with. Even that one too is not happy, but he won't say it out. But you are president because you have upper hand. Rita Osas, era visual mumu, era visual fake name we are or real name. No, your generation is mumu. You understand? You're a great family, or your entire family is mumu. Because if you want that family to lose, what can lose? You Rita Osas, Osa. A generation will lose. A generation rabat. A generation will wear. If you are close to him, you would have talked to him that you are calling your generation mumu. If you are not so bomb, no do na wero. We need return of be mumu. Generation where wa bera wa bijua. Israel no je way. Dan. Egbe dan. We are more about every era no je pa mi wa bera wa bijua. Ugbe wa gbon. Okay, I won't go. Generation where mumu. Gon gbera gbiju e wo agbe o egbon ai mi omo ye kenye generation we ni returning eni return sas ni ni riri ave I can mi omo generation wa bera wa biju o gbe o. Why can't you just settle the issue? Gbe o wa gbon. Those are the issue. Instead of them to make sure they talk to Abbott, give those people their money. There are people in Europe here not camping on Obaseki. They didn't get anything. You talk to that boy, let him pay those people. The governor gave him 140 something million, but he declared 20 something million. Instead of that 20 something million, you can still share for the people. But you did not. Okay. Eya fi osisi we go a e wa pa iwu we wa ni ejere o e wa pa iwu we wa ni ejere o. But we didn't know that everything was financed by Abbott brother. People were still pointing finger to Kabaka, whereas Kabaka was 100% innocent. Kabaka was innocent. I don't want to stay long. How about you have to sort out this issue? Sort out this problem. Put an end to your brother issue. Give him what belongs to him, that he can settle his boys or his friends. That is what you have to do. Because that money was not made for you alone. All people that are involved, that help to the grow and the win of 4+4 that can pay. No need the over what we settle here. No matter we need. Okay. The rest of win out for their heart for free. It's someone win out for their heart for free. So the man win and you know why we need the over with the here. Because they are very high. It's not your money. Who knows on your buyer can why we say. That is why Smart is pissed off because he no ya wina see your sa. He no ya wina see your sa. We you are building mansion. No man, it's not done, eh? It's not done. The greatest enemy in my life, all when we back we know that your friend. That is why I keep on talking about Kabaka that he's built his whole they are routine because he's not a greedy person. Take Kabaka and Kabaka carry operation or carry government. Just imagine this one. Oh, we are bribe now. I heard when your brother was talking where people said to him, no, nobody said to Smart. Nobody talked to him. Smart is in pain, he's in pressure. He came out and speak because of greediness of you. Gary Harry got better money or more topic in that. From your pocket, you can even just give him $1,000. Don't go this far. No. We're worried. This will be fine. No. Ne bow, we bow. So we're on a boom. And if you don't settle it, the guy is still ready to come out and say a lot. You know? The man be in a doma. Now might go anybody no see by anybody. We don't want any innocent people to be shot or to meet no mere unexpected bullet. No, we don't want it any longer. Please sort out this issue. Yeah? Sort it out and then God bless you all. Oduna ni yedo ya fefe. Me and my so bomo oduna ni ma. Without my oge. Please let's unite and build Edo State. Abba, talk to your brother, settle him, give him his share, that he can settle his boys, and pay those in Europe, in Asia, in Australia, in America, Middle East, Africa. Here you have no work on kuyo. Ego alo bobo ni a pay them. They won't work no matter who have a side work on a marry. So you don't have to be on that duress where you bow where we bow we no. Only bow you talk to them in a polite way. Let peace reign. Nobody no bribe but your brother came out by himself. No to boy wa ladia. To boy ladia. Salobo Adeba wa sure about sort out this issue. Mama on anybody not do feel osisi again. To boy no tie. No what tie. The election ya fair each place. Each boys osisi ya agbele even some INEC ya osisi me a ballot paper. We didn't know your brother was behind everything. It was an agreement that he pay. Now after doing all the whole job, he pay. Was there going in a peaceful way? You go marry. That is why he came out. So only him not soon. Robo Adebawa ya fe. Ora. Oh. Wala ho. Or come about that you should have to pay them. Good night. Mona share the video. Bye.
DJA TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you say they watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue to receive all ogbonge news like this.
DJA TV.